Hi, this is Mike Littman. I'm president founder and the CEO of Mike's International. So today's concern is a body language because people are sometimes very good while their communication, while they write in their reports or when they send in emails or when they talk to the people. But the real concern is your body, how your body speaks, because body speaks more than 93%, and people understand you not with your words, people understand you with your body. How do you use your body? Sometimes it happens, people ask you, hey, would you like to come into the meeting, would you like to take this project? But at the same time, when you reply, you say, yes, of course, I would love to come. So what's happening? You are saying no, and actually with words you're saying, yes, I'm interested, I'm passionate. Even you say, hey, I'm very much passionate and I get to do it. But you are nodding your head in negative. So it means you are showing up a negative body language. And actually you are showing no interest. You are showing lack of interest in the challenge, in the concern, or in maybe while making a report. So you must learn how to use your body, because body never speaks lie. And most importantly, when you are at the work, you need to understand if you're a boss or you are an employee, you are a junior, so you need to learn how to use your body well, especially at the work, because body at the work matters a lot. People understand you with your body, the words you even not speaking. People understand you with your body. People don't understand you with your words. People don't remember what do you say, but people remember how do you say. So your body matters a lot, and that's a key to become a greatest employee or to become a greatest boss. And you must learn the factors and the tools you can identify in the people while they are speaking wrong or while they are concealing some information. So you must understand eyes, hands, and even like head, like how head is working, and eyes and lips and nose. Sometimes people are talking to the boss and they are again and again they're touching their nose, or it means like they're showing low confidence and they are maybe not sure they can do it. Or sometimes bosses, they ask you any question or any query, so you are talking and you are again and again putting your hands on your mouth. So it means you are concealing some information and you are not interested to share it with your boss, or maybe you secretly you're doing something different. So being a boss, you need to understand, and being a host, being a customer services manager, or when you are in a public dealing, you are dealing with your clients, you must understand the body first, and the body speaks more than your words. So body language is most important at your work. So I want you to subscribe, like, and share all these videos with all your loved ones, especially when they are at work. Even they are an entrepreneur, so it would be very much beneficial to all of the people. So thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.